Hello everyone, it's me. And I'm still alone. Oh, advanced Happy Mother's Day. Wait lang, nilalaglag. Napo-full yung cellphone ko. Yeah. Number 2. Sometime sorry to be. Today is Jubilee's birthday. Nag-o-okuya mo. Ano yung mami yung kinakainan niyo? No. Japanese food. Never, di pa ako nakakain talaga dun. Nakakaloka. Nakailang kain na kayo dun. Ako hindi pa ako nakakain dun. Hello. A million reasons. Yeah, a million reasons. Is that knife? Cause ang weird, kasi kanina pa lang gusto kong kumain. Ngayon kumakain ako, ayoko na kumain. Wait up. Hello. Siguro kaka-breakfast ko lang. Kasi nagla-lunch na ako. Yeah, I know. Orange. We are so orange today. It's Orange Day. May nangangakain. Cause you are you. Baka may dinugaan yung teeth ko. Sige na. Oo, ako pa lang. Mamaya pa sila dating. Siguro mga 11:30. But I'm not sure if they're going dito sa dressing room or straight na sila sa studio. We don't know. What's up, JD Knows? Oh my goodness. The OGs. Yung mga OG na nanonood sa live ko. Skuday. It's been years, people. Hello, Rosemariel. Ito yung mga pimple na hindi ko matago, so let's pretend those are moles. Wala, Chris, may mga lakad kami. Wala po ba dyan ako, multo? Immortal ako, guys. I'm okay. We're all okay. We just have our different lakads later, so. Because it's Jubilee's birthday. Thank you. Nakaano lang kasi ako eh. Kaya hindi ko tatakbo yung mga tagyawat ko para makahinga naman sila. I-PM nyo sa akin, yung mga i-DM nyo, yung mga suggestions. May nag-DM na sa akin si Coffee Jelly. Tapos, inalalagay ko na siya. Tapos, we will try to, do it one by one. But so far, ang gagawin ko muna is yung ginagawa ko pa din, like the lifestyle kind of thing. But, syempre, to give some juices, gagawin natin yun. Isa-isa. I'm so sorry about that. Give it me. Ano nga ganap niyo sa Mother's Day? Kami kasi work pa din. Work. Which is in. Di ba gisaan yung mga ganyan, Mags? It's young. Excuse me. Nainis ako sa spaces. Kasi naka-brace ako before. Ngayon, nag-relapse siya. So, nagkakaroon na ng spaces sa teeth. Those are spaces. Those are not. You see that? Ay, questions. Gusto niyo yun? Dapat madaming tanong. Ano ba mga type of questions yung mga gusto niyo? For you. Mukbang. Ay, nagaganyan ako before. Pwede naman. Mukbang ulit. Dati, not sure if it's still uploaded to my YouTube channel or pre-private ko na siya. Kasi madami akong pre-private na vlogs eh. Pero mayroon ako before na naubos ako ng isang bilao ng chicken. Tapos, mayroon akong isang vlog na never siya na-upload kasi nasa phone siya ni ate. I don't know if it's still with her. Umubos kami, tigisang buong manok. Mga ganun yung trip namin before. Tapos nung pwede pa ako sa seafood, kami, unlimited seafood emerald. Titigan tayo, guys. Kaya ako nag-live kasi wala akong kausap dito. Nababagot ako. Pa-music lang. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I couldn't. Sige, pag-isipan nyo na yung mga itatanong nyo. Get to you anywhere I would follow you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Wait lang, people of the world. 'Cause I'm feeling so small. Cut up my head. Na 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 na. Di ko din alam. And gusto ko nang umuwi. Like, naantok na ako agad. Bakit kasi natulog ko? Ang babaw. Alam niyo yun. Yung parang feeling ko naririnig ko lahat kahit tulog ako. And I feel so small. 감사합니다. I know nothing at all. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Uy! Ito na lang, ano yung feeling mo on becoming a celebrity? I don't really feel like I'm a celebrity right now. Like, hindi mo siya feel just Because it kind of changed a thing, pero hindi naman super duper. Kasi we're more on the dance side, so not everyone actually, like once you go out, hindi ka naman kilala agad ng mga taon. So, as an artist, it kind of changed kung paano ka mag-act. You know, you just became more conscious sa pag-kilos mo outside. Because before, you don't really mind. Actually, I do already kasi basta. Pero, mas lang kasi ngayon, mas prone into judgments, mas may masasabi sa'yo mga tao just because you're going out sa TV. Kasi nakikita nila sa TV, mas malapit ka sa issues and also you will be more conscious on your actions. So, parang yung na-feel ko lang is parang, wala. To answer your question, hindi ko maano yung anong feeling. Well, actually, I feel happy na tupad ko yung childhood, ko, diba? Yung as in childhood dream ko. Parang na-feed ko siya at some point na finally, I'm out here. But have I reached my goal? Doon sa dream ko? Not yet. So, watch out. Hello! How do you love someone? Actually, tinanong yun kahapon, di ba? How do you love someone? Actually, nag-agree ako doon sa mga sinagot nila na hindi mo talaga, you cannot really unlove someone. As in, if you really loved or love someone, hindi mo siya magagawang i-unlove. Kahit magkagalit kayo, kahit magkaroon kayo ng issues, at some point, may place yan sa heart mo na you still love that person. If you truly love that person, I think you can only unlove someone if your love doon sa taong yun is not genuine enough. Kasi yun. Diba? Kaya para sa akin, you cannot unlove anyone if you truly and genuinely love them. Masasanay ka na lang na wala sila just tabi and all. Kuya Ryan! Why are you here? Hello. Kenneth, good morning. Ano yung may papayo mas aspiring mo katulad nyo na as an artist? Hindi ko kasi talaga consider sarili kong artist. Pero for people who wants to reach their dreams, like, kasi ako, I was stuck before. I was stuck between dreams and goals because I have the goal to be a nurse and then I have a dream of becoming a dancer and becoming a performer. So if you think na kaya mo naman pagsabayin, just do it. Do what you love, do what makes you happy. Do what makes you sleep at night. Kasi ako, like, noong time na I was thinking of stopping sa pag-perform, na parang I was kind of bothered and I know na I have to do something to make myself happy. Parang i-fulfill yung, what do you call that? Parang kasi may kulang. So, what should I do? Ganyan. Kasi parang ako, I'm just waiting for such opportunities to reach the dream of mine, which is becoming a performer. But while waiting, pinipursue ko yung goal ko. So, it really depends sa tao kung paano mo siya i-handle. So, ako, pinagsabay ko na lang. And then, nag-trust na lang ako kay God kung saan niya ako dadalhin. So, inuna niya na ma-reach ko yung goal ko before ako mag-move forward sa dreams ko. But it really doesn't mean na tinigil ko yung dreams ko. Siguro nag-pause lang ako for a moment to focus dun sa ma-reach ko yung mag-pass sa board exam and then after that, go sa dreams. Ganun. Kasi you also have to think practically. Hindi kasi pwedeng ka lang doon sa, ay gusto ko to, gusto ko yan, ganyan. Kasabay nun dapat inisip mo din yung practical na bagay. Diba? Ganun yun din. What's up, Cole? Nasaan na kayo, Cole? Where are you guys? I choose you. I choose you. Oh, ayoko sa orange. Naka-H-bomb pa ako. Hello everyone. Welcome to my live. 감사합니다. Thank you, thank you. You gotta learn. Kasi alam mo, ugali niyo yan. Yung mga natatanong sex specialty, tinatanong niyo dito. Pinapractice niyo na ba ako? Gusto niyo ba akong mapunta sa searches? Para akong prutas. Anong prutas? Orange! I gotta learn to let... When ka magiging searchy? I believe hindi na. Kasi nahanap... Hoy! Joke. Pag sumali si Adi. Sige. Hello! Si Agatha nanonood. What's up, Agatha? Huy! Wala nga. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Na, 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 na. Si Anez. Oh my goodness. Hindi, ano kasi, especially na ako before, diba? So, once kasi nakasalang na kami, I think that's it. That's it, pansit. And, sa amin kasi talaga una yung tatanong is yung mag-ex, if willing. Yung ex din yun. Iba kasi sa amin, hindi po papayag yung mga ex. So, sa akin, pumayag kasi yung ex ko. Kaya doon ako napunta sa, upuan. By that time, I was not ready pa to date anyone. So, doon ako sa napili. And then, yung ex ko, yung pinilian ko ng makakadate. Hello, hello, hello. Huwag na, diba? It's Ariela! I don't know. Oo nga eh. Pagpasok ko kasi, I left my stuff doon. Oh. Tapos nagpa-hair ako. Tapos pagbalik ko, yung gamit ko, it's gone. It's like, nandun sa pinakagilid. Hello po. Hello.
I'm casual today.
I'm orange today.
Because we're gonna go to the Danwa.
Yeah, we're gonna buy some flowers.
We're gonna buy some flowers for Tinek. And then she will suffocate.
Because I'm allergic to flowers.
She's not...
Hindi naman ako OA na allergic. I just keep on sneezing.
Allergic ka pa din. Di ba yung mga allergies?
Yeah.
Rhinitis.
I'm wearing orange. And there's like an orange print right here.
I'm wearing...
Something...
neutral.
Cocky. And yeah, I have an orange cap with me because I'm gonna go. That's good. I'm gonna dinner somewhere. Be there. And I'll be like, I'm orange! I'm orange! Yeah, I will go home tonight. Because it's house.
Hi guys.
Secret, guys.
We're having a secret. You can't know our secret. Sa July 28 ata si Adi mag-researcher. Paano mo nalalaman
Birthday ko
yun?
kasi yun.
Hanggang July, meron pa ding specialist. Ano, hanggang next year? Hindi na papalit.
Tatapat na yung tawag ng tanghalan yung
Yung TNT na daw
My
ipapalit.
zipper looks like it's open, but it's not. It's closed. Oh no, I think I brought the wrong bag.
Ayun yung bisita.
Kunin ni Am-Am. Huh? Naisip ko, I brought the wrong bag. Baka sabihin ng pamangkin ko sa kanya na naman ito. Oh no! It's gonna fall.
Bad trip ako sa friend ko.
Pocket pose. Yun yung wahay ko, guys.
Ate.
Yo.
Ano siya?
Should I mute? Sorry guys, there's a little bit of chica going on.
Bakit ano? Ba't ka naka...
Because we have new bandana trend.
It looks like you're gonna, you're going to have a prod. May sakit ka, gago. Sorry.
Okay na ako na hingit.
So ako challenge yung Ate Ina. Grabe po nga payat ako, lalo naiinis na ako.
Ibigay mo sa akin yung katawan mo!
Hindi kasi nag-ano na visible na yung ribs ko eh.
Guys, ang puti ng kilikili ko, thanks to Edara.
Nalaban yung hindi nagpapasession masyado.
Actually, yung maputi naman kilikili ko, hindi lang kasi pantay. San, sanananan, san, sanananan, chari, pawan.
Kalay ako.
Yes, Miss Sean Dominguez. Mga Sean? Mga Sean? Kailan pa nila ako na to? Ito, mauupak, makakalas naman. Mom, you're here! And I will leave you guys. Just gonna fly out na naman.
Ingat kasi yung paglalakbay sa himpapawid.
Maglalakad lang ako.
Iwan mo na kami.
Pag bumalik ka, lagot ka na naman kay Arian.
Magulo na ulit guys.
Naplak.
And that's the cue to end this live. Adios.
Hey guys, I'm leaving you all.
Are you living as well? Also, Arian?